Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with the FXlift Broker. You enter the Forex Broker section, select FXlift Brokers, and click on Go to Website. You enter the website, and to register, click on Open an Account. In the registration section, you enter your first and last name. Additionally, your email address, country of residence, and mobile phone number. In this section, you select your account type, along with the bonus, spread, and leverage. After entering the information, you set a password for your account. I recommend using uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. In this section, you repeat your password. And after entering all the information, you click on Open your trading account. You log into your account dashboard. Your account has been created. Good luck.